Aunt May owns a business making and selling jackets. She has a fixed cost of $2,300 and it costs $59 to produce each jacket. Okay, so her costs are 2,300 plus $59 per jacket. So let's call this 59x. We'll let X be the number of jackets. Okay. And the selling price is $82 per jacket. So her revenue, the revenue that comes in, is 82x, $82 for every jacket that she sells. And which of the following is the number of jackets that could be made and sold in order to break even? So I'm going to set cost equal to revenue, 2,300 plus 59x equals 82x. And the x value that makes cost equal to revenue is called the break even point. So 2,300 equals, well, let's see, 82 minus 60, it would be 22, but I'm not taking 60, I'm only taking 59, so 23x. And then divide both sides by 23. 2,300 divided by 23 is 100. So B, 100 jackets.